Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another week of virtual preschool. I am so glad you have decided to join me for circle time today. Let's figure out what the day is. So the last day of school we had was Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So today is Monday. Yes, so let's move that rainbow arrow up to Monday. And who remembers the name of our month? March. Yes, so let's go ahead and count those numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. What comes next? 20. And let's look at the pattern. Clover, clover, leprechaun, leprechaun, rainbow, rainbow. Clover, clover. Yes, so we have a number 20 with a clover on it. That was Saturday, so we need to keep going. 19, 20. What comes next? 21. Yes, so clover, clover, leprechaun, leprechaun, rainbow, rainbow. Clover, clover. What comes next? Leprechaun. Yes, so we have a number 21 with a leprechaun on it. That was Sunday, so we need to keep going. So 19, 20, 21, 22. Yes, and clover, 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 leprechaun, leprechaun, rainbow, rainbow. Clover, clover, leprechaun, leprechaun. Yes, so we have a number 22 with a leprechaun on it. So that is today. So let's say our whole date. Today is Monday, March 22nd, 2021. And just a couple of reminders, this is our this is our last week of preschool before spring break. So next week is spring break. There won't be any preschool next week. And that means no circle time, no small group, and Miss Mika will not be at the preschool, okay, next week. And also tomorrow, Tuesday, is a field trip to Calder Dairy Farm. So I wanted to just put a reminder out there for that in case you are able to come to that. I hope to see a lot of you there. So let's look at the weather. So look out your window. And when you look out your window, is it partly cloudy, cloudy, sunny, windy, rainy, stormy, or snowy? And when you step outside, does it feel burning hot, hot, warm, cool, cold, or freezing cold? All right, don't forget to have your mom or dad or grandma or grandpa check that weather app to see what the temperature is today. All right, so this week, let's see, last week we talked about St. Patrick's Day, right? And before that we talked about colors. And so we're kind of going to use some colors this week too. And our theme this week is our feelings or emotions. So let's see what book we have in the mystery envelope. So some of you may have read this book before. It is called My Many Colored Days by Dr. Seuss. So let's see what this is about. Some days are yellow, some are blue. On different days, I'm different too. You'd be surprised how many ways I change on different colored days. On bright red days, how good it feels to be a horse and kick my heels. On other days, I'm other things. On bright blue days, I flap my wings. Some days, of course, feel sort of brown. Then I feel slow and low, low down. Then comes a yellow day, and wee! I am a busy, buzzy bee. Gray day, everything is gray. I watch, but nothing moves today. Then, all of a sudden, I'm a circus seal. On my orange days, that's how I feel. Green days, deep, deep in the sea, cool and quiet fish, that's me. On purple days, I'm sad, I groan, I drag my tail, I walk alone. But when my days are happy pink, it's great to jump and just not think. Then come my black days. Mad and loud I howl, I growl at every cloud. Then comes a mixed up day, and wham! I don't know who or what I am. But it all turns out all right, you see, and I go back to being me. All right, so I like that book. One of my favorite books about feelings. So, we are going to make our own page of the Many Colored Days by Dr. Seuss. So this is what yours looks like. See, this is kind of like the person that was in the book, that was different colors and things. And it says on blank days, I feel, and there's a big long blank. So you're going to think of a color or more than one color. Okay, so I'm going to say, let me see here. Let me find the right color here. On orange days, I'm going to use this orange crayon to write the word orange. On orange days, I feel excited and happy. So you're going to think about what color day you might have or be having right today and how that color makes you feel. All right, so then I'm going to take my crayon. Oh, I don't think I have the right one here. Nope. Goodness. All right, here we go. And then I'm going to use the color that I chose and color my person in for the color day that I'm having. And if you choose more than one color for your feeling of the day, then you can use all of those, whatever colors you choose, all right, to color your person in. So if you chose 2 different colors or 3 different colors or rainbow, you can use all those colors to color in your person, all right? So on orange days, I feel excited and happy. Orange also happens to be my favorite color. All right, so we also have, this is something new I'm starting to send home this week. You'll get some new ones every week. This week, so these are called Itsy Bitsy books. This week you're getting the M book, and the T book, T, all right? And we are not going to prepare these for you because it's quite a lot to do a bunch of them, but I sent directions. There's a link in your email that you got on Friday that goes to directions that show you how to prepare these books, all right? It's not a lot of work for one person to do just yours, but for us to do all of them for the whole class is just too much. So I'm just sending those home for you to figure out, put together. And then so each one has words, pictures and words that start with those letters, okay? So I'll send new ones like those home every week until we've sent home the whole alphabet. All right, then also you have 2 Play-Doh mats this week, and that's because I found a cool rainbow one that we could have used for St. Patrick's Day last week, but I didn't find it till later, so I'm sending it home with you today. So here's the rainbow one, and I sent directions for this, of course, in your email. But what you're going to do is either you're going to buy Play-Doh colors in all the different rainbow colors, so red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet, or you can make Play-Doh and color it with food colorings for each of these colors. And then what you would do is take each color and roll it out into a snake, and your mom and dad can show you how to do that if you don't know how. So you're going to roll a snake of each of the rainbow colors and then put it on top of your mat to make a Play-Doh rainbow. Okay? And then on the other side here, I have another Play-Doh mat. This is a feelings Play-Doh mat. And for this one, you can make faces for different feelings. So you can make a happy face, a sad face, a startled face, an excited face, a sleepy face, all different faces that you would like to make with Play-Doh. All right, so 2 different Play-Doh mats. And I'm not sending, you didn't get another one of these sheet protectors. So I sent one home with, I sent a sheet protector home with you already with when we did the tooth unit. So you should still have that one to put your new Play-Doh sheets in, all right? So that is what I have to show you today. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I will see some of you today at 10:30 for small group, and don't forget about that field trip tomorrow at Calder Dairy Farm, all right? Bye, everyone.